Today I am dealing with a subject called electrical machine. It is the most fundamental or basic subject for electrical engineering where we learn about the machines we use in electrical machine like generator, motor, transformer, etc. So let's begin. So what is today's topic? So today's topic, first I will cover what is electrical machine, then after I will cover what is generator, then motor, and after that the last topic is transformer. So these are the basic introduction topic that we are discussing today. So let's begin. So in first slide I will show you what is electrical machine. So electrical machine is an electromagnetic device that convert energy between electrical and mechanical form, or in case of transformer the voltage levels. Alright, in simply we can say what is electrical machine, which perform electromechanical conversion or vice versa. It's mean a machine which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy or mechanical energy into electrical energy. It's called electrical machine. So what is transformer? Transformer does not converts one form of energy to another form of energy. It's only change the voltage level. So one term is here, it's called electromagnetic device. So what is electromagnetic? Now we will learn about electromagnetic device. So here I mention an electromagnetic device is a component or a machine that uses electricity to generate magnetic field or vice versa. Means electromagnetic device generate electricity via use of magnetic field or magnetic field via use of electricity. Alright, it's called vice versa. Next, it's to perform work such as electric motor, generator and transformer. These are the basic of electrical machine. So moving to next slide. Next slide is all about generator. It is basically a electromechanical device which convert mechanical energy, it's also called for a turbine or engine energy, into the electrical energy. Operate on the principle of Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. All the machine work on the Faraday law of electromagnetic principle. So here what is generator? Generator is a electrical machine which convert mechanical energy. In input port we give mechanical energy and output we get electrical energy. So generator is a device or a machine which convert one form of energy called mechanical energy into electrical energy. This is the basic definition of generator and its work on the principle of Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. Now moving to the next slide. What is next slide? So here is motor. What is motor? Electric motor are electromechanical device that convert electrical energy into mechanical energy using magnetic field. It's mean motor is also a type of electrical machine which can convert energy to one form into another form. Means in motor we give input as electrical energy and in output we get mechanical energy. So it is the basic principle of motor where we give input as electrical quantity and output we get mechanical quantity. Now moving to the next slide, which is all about transformer. So what is transformer? Previously we see that the generator and motor converts energy, means one form of energy is converted into another form of energy, whereas transformer does not convert energy, it's only transform energy. So what is its definition? Its simple definition is transformer is an electromagnetic device which transfer power from one circuit to another circuit without any electrical connection. And one important note is here that transformer does not change the frequency and VA. VA rating means the power rating of the transformer, means the input side power is equal to the output side power. Means the power is constant in both the side of the transformer. The only variation is voltage and current. So transformer is a device which can transfer only power from one circuit to another circuit. Here the first circuit, or I show that the primary side is electrically connection or an electrical circuit. So here is two electrical circuit, primary side and secondary side is connected with one magnetic circuit. Here it's a core. So it is electrically isolated but magnetically coupled. So this is the basic principle of transformer. And transformer also work on the same principle called the electromagnetic Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. So moving to the next slide is all about today's. So thank you for watching.